Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at DOS Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we list it. Our website and phone number are in the description. Today we got a 2016 Ford E350 Super Duty with a 16-foot box on the back. Some nice tires on the front here. Chassis has been repainted with an anti-rust chassis saver paint. Prevents any new rust from forming and any existing rust from spreading. Got some nice tires on the back here as well. Dual rear wheel. A lot of tread left on these. The box has been repainted as well. This is a 16-foot box with a ramp on the back here as well. Taking a look inside the box here. Very clean, in very good condition. Translucent roof. This box is in great condition here. Tires on this side, chassis. Taking a look inside the cab here. This truck, like all of our trucks, has been thoroughly detailed inside and out. Seats are in great condition. No rips or tears. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. This particular truck has 199,489 miles, so just under 200,000. As you can see, no lights on the dash. The truck is running and looking great. Heat and AC are working great as well. Go ahead and take a look under the hood. As you can see, the truck has been detailed underneath the hood as well. Filters and fluids have all been replaced. This Ford comes equipped with a 5.4 liter flex fuel V8 engine with an automatic transmission. Truck is looking and running great, ready to get to work right away. And there you have it, a 2016 Ford E350 Super Duty with a 16-foot box and a ramp, 5.4 liter V8 engine. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.